DirectFix.com presents
the HTC One X Disassembly Guide. Be sure to check us out on the web at DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YouTube7 for 7% off your first order.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
Using a SIM card removal tool, remove the SIM card tray. Starting near the bottom of the phone, use a case opener tool to separate the back case from the black bezel running around the screen. Run your case opener tool along the edges, separating the sides, and then carefully pull the screen along with the internals out of the case. Remove 5 Phillips screws securing a plastic shield at the top of the motherboard. Disconnect the connectors for the touch panel as well as the antennas. Lift up the latch, releasing this ribbon, and pull the ribbon out. Put the phone on its side and carefully separate the motherboard from the screen assembly. Use a case opener tool to disconnect the touch buttons as well as lift the latch, releasing the ribbon for the LCD. Lift the battery up, allowing you to pull the cable for the LCD out of its connector. You can now lift the motherboard up and flip it over, exposing the cable for the battery as well as the ribbon for the volume buttons. Remove 1 Phillips screw, allowing you to remove the antenna board. Lift up the vibrator from its well and carefully peel off the ribbon for the touch buttons, vibrator, and microphone. Using a heat gun or blow dryer, apply heat to the back of the screen assembly, loosening the adhesive, allowing you to remove it from its frame. Use a case opener tool to pry the screen assembly from the frame. Please be sure to check our website, DirectFix.com. Just click the link below for all your parts and accessory needs.